My dear friends, it's an honor to invite you to Sports Injury Conclave 2025, organized by Sports Injury Center, Savjang Hospital and VMMC, a premier institute in the country doing more than 600 procedures every month, a complex arthroscopy and sports injury procedures. As a part of this educational extravaganza, we will be doing number of more about 30 live surgeries on real life surgeries to be done by the national and international faculty, renowned in faculty. The idea is to create awareness and education in the field of arthroscopy and sports medicine. Roughly involves a very dedicated panel discussions also on each of the live surgery, so that the people, the delegates who are attending can educate themselves and see what all can be done in a particular type of procedure in a different ways. So I welcome you all to attend this meeting, and I think it will be a great meeting in terms of spreading education across all of you. Thank you so much.